Anglong District Primary Center Association pen Haragat along Cape Asad Langkiuna Samarapan Karcho. Kicengsi Ciklojon Trok Karbi Alam Certificate Course Asad Langkiuna Bang Pubang Piatumapan Certificate Kiron. Seba pen HSLC compartmental sadlang arning kepatik. Kardom ada beberta long pen nili junaliti mungpi non berta ang ton pen arju ikha. Tim Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council atumbo secret truck ani New Delhi along damsi MP Barim Biren Singh India Panchatong dam pusi New Delhi pen card news along berta nang pale. Tim Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council atumbo secret truck ani New Delhi along pale damsi MP Barim Biren Singh India Panchatong dam. Kacitong damahut MP Kimi Horen Singh Bepen MP Barim Biren Singh India Pan Pohoi Pak Pajirsi Bidisore Chuhang. MP Barim Intia Pan Kacitong Ramahut CM Tuliram Ronghang MLA Mansing Rongpi EM Mongor Singh Timung Lun Singh Tiron MSC Richard Tokbi Prabhat Chandra Taro MLA Barim Bida Singh Ingleng Atum Chetong Dun. Karbi Anglong District Primary Teacher Association ki Parlo Haroghat Block Committee pen wo secret truck ani Haroghat atalom along kedo non hejong Cape Asad Langki una Somarapan Karchosi Kurwang thu Pajir pusi Haroghat pen nilitum phirang ke katnyu salong birtanang pale. Haroghat Block Committee pen kapado Karcho Maya long kado kave bang Cape ki un Somarapan poho nong alo tangka la pen kitab atilu pen Karchosi Kurwang thu Pajir. Haroghat Block Committee amay Pupani Ram Timung Kachari amay along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Khonsing Rongpi Karbi Anglong District Teacher Association Probin Hanse lapen Arya Sangho atum Chetong Dun.
LP school Lora Soli Naputia. Kune Aplaga Naputia, who gives a message, sub under primary school to avoid the Yalla Hisapolo, Aplalora to good police. Among Bidalio, among Jagan, among school of Arthat Master Hokalagon Paise. J. LP school of Ami Porhoa Jitu Bidaloy, a Bidalek of Ami Honman Dibolagivo.
Dibrugarh University Penkechengsi Ciklojon Trok Karbi Alam Certificate Course Sadlang ki Uncheng Abang Pubang Piatumapan o secret truck ani Difu Center long certificate Pajirpon Tanglo. Dibrugarh University ki Parlo Kechengsi Ciklojon Trok Karbi Alam Certificate Course Sadlang ki Unabang Pubang Piatumapan Difu along Kido Center for Studies in Karbi Language Pen Sadlang ki Una Certificate Ron si Sadlang ki Una Tumapan Kurwang tu Pajir. Certificate Course Sadlang along Kado Kabe Bang Trok Ke Prasir Kep Sadlang Tokdun. Lasuang bong bang trok ner ke prasir ke satlang mesen pensipaun satlang ke mene anong potimi rong pipi pensipalong adun thu beauty dog pipi la pen kithaw mangdeng ke mene anong e wilson timung si chipalong non malom so poraphan birta moington paiksana.
Come live, come and test drive Nissan New Sero, India. Visit a nearest dealer at Dhanbi Motors. Authorized dealer of Nissan. 80 Road, Kutikala, opposite number 2 petrol pump, Hypergaon, Nagaon, 782002, Assam. With attractive offers of the month, Microactive, XVS 50,000, Redigo 15,000, Datsun Go 10,000, Go Plus 10,000, Sunny 50,000. Tarano XLDO special offers up to 2 lakh. Along with special offers of Ford Doctor. Check on the given screen. For more details, contact sales consultant Bisnu Tiso 9365 454415 9954 793905.
Made like a gun, goes like a bullet. Sun Motors, authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkelan, near Don Bosco School, Lifu, 782460, Assam. Finance are available here. Please contact 099 579 88008 or 0789 61 69021.
Atorkimi outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot. A place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014 33731 93652 07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasenang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihinamo pipodot birtalong wangtulo. Arpu kimi kechepek jia phanpura dipu rong sopialong ke do Karbi Anglong District Mahila Samiti asai hemalong wo secret trok ani ningkan ki thompen ibhoi kapa do amai pado pusikat new salong birtanang pale. Ri chiki bisi asar pe matum chepeng pen dipu rong sopi pharo kri sirke pratrok aningkan Karbi Anglong District Mahila Samiti thihek pen ke KADMS apusek ki sompang chenglo. KADMS kachari angthun ingthun damsi wo secret trok ani khirla teron pia phan mai phi suborno barwa chetia phan kongchun bang phi dun mai phi bang pli rapchun bang pli manju teron pia phan pachethang arpu peksi akimi Karbi Anglong District Mahila Samiti sengponthu Seba penjakong isiar ni penjakong trok ani an SSLC mate ke pasat lang ke tok ji ani pangdak pontanglo. Board of Secondary Education Assam Tihek pen Seba penjakong isiar ni pen kep mate SSLC compartmental asat lang kapadoji arni pangtak pontanglo. Satlang acai mek ateng jakong isiar ni atap sir kep pen enalo krehini an ongko mate General Mathematics jakong hiniani adap sir kep pen enalo krehini an MIL lapen English anigang sam isira achitim pen pli ra achitim an Hindi Computer Science jakong githom ani adap Social Science jakong pli ani adap English jakong po ani adap General Science lapen jakong trok ani adap sir kep pen enalo krehini apor an SMS Sanskrit, Advanced Mathematics, History, lapen Geography henlo. Ada ba berta bang ke labon skang ton paiklo tu me thak me kruang thu.